Yeah, it's feeding time. There's Mama, Mr. Green, Patches, Smokey, baby girl. Yeah, we're gonna get them fed. We're gonna do some feeding for them right now. Let's see if I can get this thing standing up. Moo-haw there, Mr. Green. There's Mr. Green. How you doing? Yeah, you're my big guy. Yeah, you my big guy, Mr. Green. You gonna say hi to the camera? Huh? You gonna say hi to the camera, Mr. Green? Yeah. Hello, Smokey. How you doing, Mr. Smokey, Smokey, Smokey? Yes, 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 yes. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, 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 Mr. Smokey. Yes, 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 Mr. Smokey. Baya, baya, baya. I know, Mr. Green. Yeah, I know. Mr. Green has trouble eating. I try and make it as liquid as I can. Oh, and one more. Okay, don't know if you guys will get it. Say hi to Mr. Smokey. Or no, that's Mr. Black. It's either Yucky Black or Mr. Black. So how you doing, Mr. Black? Okay.